Accounting driving you nuts? No real-time visibility of your business? Let's start with ABSS today. Formerly known as MYOB, ABSS welcomes you to a smarter way to manage your business. ABSS is easy to use and requires no accounting knowledge. You can bypass double entry with ABSS. It's a real-time system and generate your favorite reports anytime. ABSS is an efficient and cost-effective solution to your accounting. Apscom Solutions is a professional partner with ABSS Singapore. We're not just a partner, we also understand your challenges and act as your business advisor. Apscom firmly believes the best way of doing business is by discussing the whole process up close and personal. Therefore, meeting up with Apscom is your first choice. Apscom is your one-stop center for ABSS, including demo, setup, and implementation, training, and support. With ABSS and Apscom, we take the trouble out of bookwork, making bookkeeping simple, fun, and rewarding.